everyone, it's Catherine from my Hillside Garden. We're doing a fast food Friday. I need a quick dinner. I'm using things from out of the freezer and the refrigerator, and I don't have any pantry items. Okay, mostly out of the freezer. So that's why it's important to be sure that you keep things readily available so that you can throw together a dinner or a lunch very quickly. This way it's easy preparation and easy cleanup. So join me as I put this one together. First, I'm going to start out by putting some of the ravioli in the bottom. And I also want to be sure to put some sort of grease at the bottom. So our choice currently is coconut oil. So that's what we're going to use. And since you use so little, you really don't get any of the flavor of coconut. Sometimes people will ask that, well, doesn't it change the flavor of things? I don't really think so. We haven't noticed much of a difference. So we're going to do the whole bottom and the sides, because hopefully, we don't want things to stick. So we got that done. Then we're going to put down a layer of the ravioli. You could use any kind. This just happens to be a cheese ravioli. And we've had it for a little while in the freezer, so I have an awful lot of crystals at the moment. So let's get a layer of those on the bottom. It could be as neat and as fancy as you want it to be. I just want to try and get this bottom covered well so that we have ravioli in every bite. And we may even do a second layer. Let's see how things are going to look. All right, next what I'm going to do is I washed off some of the spinach. I want to put a layer of spinach in here. This is all going to garlic powder. Now I've shredded the zucchini on the top, and I'm going to put the tomato sauce on next. Minutes was just the right amount of time for this. It came out cooked well through. I probably would not have put the half of cup of liquid in there, but I had it the next day. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to bring you more Fast Food Fridays so we can all eat a bit more healthy this year. Have a great day.